Listen, if you've been struggling to talk to women and make a real connection, you're probably doing it wrong, and it's not your fault. Most guys overthink it or miss the key moves that actually matter, but what I'm about to share will forever change how you approach and connect with women, starting with the first 10 seconds. Let's get into it. Step 1. Approach with confidence. Let's start with the most crucial first move, approaching with confidence. A big part of attraction happens in the first 10 seconds, and how you start out sets the tone for everything that will follow. If you hesitate, glance over multiple times, or circle the room trying to work up the nerve, you're already making a bad impression. Women pick up on hesitation, and it can come off as unsure or awkward. Take a cue from someone like Jack Harlow. His charm isn't just about being famous. Watch how he effortlessly begins conversations.
So, Weedy, how it feel doing numbers?
Hey, girl, what's up?
Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Jack.
I know.
Good to see you. Hey, just want to interrupt. I just want to say how we never met.
What's your best chat up line?
Oh. Hi.
Is that it?
Undefeated.
Hi.
Another great opening line he uses is, "Hi, I'm Jack. I don't think we've met yet." Saying, "I don't think we've met yet," makes your approach feel natural and less awkward. It gives a reason for introducing yourself, so it doesn't seem random or weird. Plus, it subtly shows you're comfortable in the setting, like you know people there and are just meeting someone new. It's a super easy way to start a conversation, but it's not some magic trick to make her instantly interested. Even Jack Harlow doesn't always get an enthusiastic response. Check out how he handles it when the girl teases him.
Oh,
Nobody's
shade room.
shaking. Nobody's
Oh,
shaking.
shade room. Jack, step into the shade room.
Right, roomies, we got Jack stepping into the shade room. How are you doing today?
He stays cool and confident, turning the moment into something playful. That's the secret. Don't overreact or take it too seriously. In the next points, I'll show you how to master that same energy, so hang on. Step 2. Turn jokes into connection. When someone teases you, take it as a playful joke instead of getting defensive. Reacting negatively can make you seem less confident and approachable, while laughing it off shows grace and self-assurance. Imagine someone comments on your outfit at a party, smiling and saying, "You're just jealous I can pull this off." Keeps the vibe light and fun, making you more attractive to others. Of course,
Can I ask you a question?
You?
We got same thing. We gotta go.
Well, y'all f***ing soft.
if a comment is genuinely offensive, you don't have to stay playful. In that case, it's better to set boundaries and move on, rather than worry about impressing someone rude. But most teasing is harmless and can even help build connections if you respond with humor. Confidence isn't about proving yourself. It's about staying comfortable in your skin and keeping the energy positive. Teasing can be an opportunity to connect if you let it. Step 3. Show respect through actions. Imagine this. The evening is going perfectly. You've had a great conversation, and as you both step out of the restaurant, you notice it's chilly. Without hesitation, you offer her your jacket. It's a small gesture, but it speaks louder than words. Why? Because true respect is shown through actions, not just talk.
Sorry, do you want my jacket?
Can I show this before it's coming up right now?
You can wear my jacket for a bit.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
Respect in relationships isn't about extravagant displays. It's about consistent, thoughtful acts that show care and consideration. Opening a door for her isn't just about politeness. It shows you're attentive and value her presence. Being on time says, I respect your time. So, ask yourself, how am I showing respect? And is it in a way that truly makes her feel valued? Step 4. Mastering the art of push-pull. Attraction can sometimes feel like a complex dance, but with the right moves, it becomes an enjoyable rhythm. The push-pull method is a fantastic way to create dynamic, memorable conversations. This technique blends playful teasing with genuine compliments, keeping interactions lively and engaging. Let's see a powerful example from Russell Brand.
Meow.
In what way?
I think you're gorgeous.
Oh, thank you, Russell. It's very kind of you.
You ain't kind.
That's a textbook example of a classic push-pull. He gives a compliment, allows to build a tiny bit of tension, only to break it with a light, self-deprecating joke. For example, if Russell had simply stopped after the compliment, the interaction might have felt a bit awkward or overly intense. But by adding humor and sparking laughter, he created a smooth transition into a more relaxed and natural conversation, not one that's purely focused on compliments. A common pitfall for men is giving compliments that seem insincere or awkward. The trick? Compliment on things you'd notice regardless of romantic interest. Start with non-physical compliments, which are less likely to be misinterpreted. If someone offers a great perspective in a discussion, let them know. Watch this clip of Ryan Gosling to see what I mean.
Nice guy. The nice guy. A funny guy.
Oh, that's a nice way to.
Oh, isn't it? You see how I did that? You like how I did that? Okay.
You should do this professionally. You're good at this.
The push-pull method doesn't just make conversations more fun. It fosters emotional connections and builds rapport. By balancing playful teasing with heartfelt compliments, you create an environment where women feel understood and valued. Could this simple technique be the secret to more engaging and fulfilling interactions? Give it a try and see how it transforms your connections. Step 5. Be honest. Imagine you're at a party and someone grabs your attention right away. What makes them stand out? Most of the time, it's their realness. Let's talk about how being honest and true to yourself can make a big difference, especially when talking to women. Being honest isn't just about not lying. It's about being genuine in how you act and speak. When you're open about what you feel or want, it shows others they can trust you. For example, if someone asks about your hobbies, share what you really enjoy instead of saying something just to sound cool. This makes conversations more meaningful and shows who you truly are.
What's your type?
My type?
Mm-hmm.
Dark hair.
Attractive women are used to guys saying whatever they think will get them a date. So, ironically, you actually stand out when you don't come across as trying too hard to impress them. Jack, for example, has a cool, calm vibe because he's not desperate for a romantic connection, something you could see in the earlier clip. In the end, it's simple. Be honest, be yourself, and don't try too hard to impress. When you lead with integrity, you'll attract the right people and create real, meaningful relationships. Step 6. Have standards beyond beauty. Building meaningful connections with women goes beyond looks and focuses on making them feel valued and understood. Imagine you're at a party and you notice Rowan, a friend of a friend. Instead of going over and complimenting her looks right away, ask yourself what truly matters to her. For example, instead of saying, "You look great," you could acknowledge her accomplishments or ideas. Maybe you could ask about a project she's been working on, or her thoughts on a topic she's passionate about. By doing this, you show that you value her intellect and what she brings to the table. In today's world, where looks often get all the attention, taking the time to appreciate someone's character or achievements can really set you apart. It's refreshing to women when someone notices their intellect and personality, not just their appearance. We can all learn from Harry Styles. Watch the next clip on how he replies to when he was asked to tell his 3 favorite body parts on a woman. So, how can you be attractive and make people comfortable around you and build genuine connections? The answer is to pursue your own goals and passions instead of trying to pursue women. Aim for a balanced life where you spend time with friends and family. Pursue hobbies or a career you love. This way, you enjoy life, whether or not you're not dating. When you're happy with your life and have things you're passionate about, you won't feel the need to pursue just anyone. Surprisingly, this makes you more attractive to others. Another big factor in setting high standards is having options. If you believe one person is your only shot at happiness, or worse, the only one who'll ever like you, it can make you act needy, which is a turnoff. Expanding your options can change that. Focus on improving your appearance, skills, social circles, career, or status. These things not only build confidence, but also open doors to more opportunities in dating and beyond. A way to build confidence is to develop charisma. Charisma is a skill that can be developed with practice. By working on your interpersonal skills, you can increase your options and create more meaningful connections. This not only improves your social life, but also helps you approach relationships with confidence. If you're ready to take this further, I've got more videos that dive into boosting your charisma and confidence in conversations. Check them out to refine your approach and create lasting impressions. Start practicing today, and you'll see the difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.